Okay, this is a 2-bedroom apartment on Greenpoint Ave. It's got high ceilings. This is the kitchen here, dishwasher, stainless fridge. There's 2 bathrooms. This is one of the bathrooms, has a shower. And this is one of the bedrooms, smaller bedroom. Fits a full bed, desk. This dresser comes with the apartment. It's got exposed brick, 2 big windows. And there's also some overhead storage here, quite a bit of overhead storage, actually. The unit has central air. In fact, you can even have a guest bed up there. That's what the roommates were doing for a while. New shiny hardwood floors. It's a beautiful, newly renovated apartment. And this is the 2nd bedroom. It's a bit bigger. You can see here, full bed, desk. This is the backyard, which we'll get to in a minute. Dresser, a little bit more space, and the bathroom in here has a full tub. And this is the backyard. Private backyard. Breath of fresh air. Available for September 1.